Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut tips and tricks on desktop. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear draft project file or recently project file on the environment right here under the project file. How can you delete them and make your draft clean up? So for you to do that, you just want to make sure you hover your mouse around any of the clip that you want to remove from the CapCut. Like for instance, this one right here. Once you hover your mouse and then go ahead and click on these three dots right here, then you want to make sure you click on delete. And this is going to simply pop up right here. Then move to trash. Go ahead and click on OK. Then you can go on and home and remove as many as possible in this regard. So if you want to remove anyone again, hover your mouse and click on these three dots. Go ahead and click on delete and then move to trash right here, just like so. Then once you remove as many as possible, you want to make sure you proceed to your trash file right here. Then you have everything in your trash file. What you want to do here is to go ahead and select them one after the other. Once you select them one after the other, all you have to do next is to go ahead and click on this trash icon right here for a complete delete. And then this is going to pop up right here. This item will be deleted permanently and can be restored. Go ahead and simply click on delete and you are done. Lastly, you can go ahead and close your Trust Me right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how to use CapCut on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.